JavaScript, Kotlin, Swift, SwiftUI, C++, PHP, R, Julia, Set, Mandelbrot, New, Function, Create, Val, Var, Valuable, Variable, Create, Loop, While, Loops, Loop is, Looping is, Loop, Function, Create, New, Factorial, and other special and also spaces. So we are talking today about Bootstrap, containerization, and also about Docker and other features in our programming languages. It's so amazing to communicate with you guys. Var, val, and also var x, var y, var dot product, also cross product, min, max, floor, seal, and also cell, and also rows, columns, colon, semicolon, bootstrap, and also some networks, LAN and PAN, and also MAN and metropolitan area network, and other features. We are speaking about them, and we are walking here. We are in the city, and here is our metropolitan network that we have, and also we have neural networks, and also machine learning and artificial intelligence, and sets and implication, and also new connection. And it is our speech about languages, about programming, about operating systems such as Linux, Windows, Mac OS, Android, and others. And we have specific smartphones, phones, and radios, and also radio buttons and radio toggle widget. It's all widgets such as radio toggle, and also we have the list and scroller, and also slider, and others. This is for the web design, like UI, UX, if you want to do. And also you can use Spring and SQL, and also MySQL and NoSQL and Apache Spark, and also some of the Apache Hadoop and other features for this. And you have parentheses, and also round brackets, and triangle brackets, and square brackets, curly brackets. It is all about them, and we are describing them. And also we have the comment section for writing some comments through the slashes, and also we have LELT, GEGT, and NE, and also EQ and others. And it is our process of creating, and also we have processing, and JavaScript GS, and also P5JS, and also Node.js, and Chart.js, and Vue.js, and others, and pandas also we have. And also we have specific functions, and TensorFlow, and tensors, and they are all what we describe. And sets we have Mandelbrot set, Julia set, and Dart language, and OCaml language, OCaml language, and also we have length, width, height, and integral, and different diff, also def, like different definition, and definition of the function, and def, def from the Python, and also have the Pygame, and we have different variables and derivatives. We have also, and also cars, and we have 4 wheels on each car, and we have metal constructions and colors of them too, and different trees. It is the objects that we have, and we have also DOM, it is document object model, and also we have HTTP, it is hypertext transfer protocol, and HTML, it is hypertext markup language, and CSS, it is cascade style language that we use, and also extensible markup language XML, and we have different features and databases, and MariaDB and others, and it is so amazing to use them. And also have different variables, and we can Google them on internet, and constants and sequences, SEQ, sec, it is sequences, and also have septima and octa and penta, and also other features. We have 4.7, 4.6, 4.5, like we have triangles for 3, quads and quad trees and quaternions, and also we have the pentagon for 5, and also pentastar and stars we have, and different 5 size polynomials. We have binomials and binomials, yes, and it is dua, and two things, and we have them, and also we have 6, and actually it is the hexagon, I think so, and next it will be something else, and also we have octagon and nonagon and paragon, it is something else maybe, okay, and we have different goals and also oids and hyperboloids and ellipsoids and ellipse and ellipsoid and hyperboloid and plural form, singular form. We have them all in our life, and also we have suffixes, prefixes, infixes, postfixes, and we have the texts that we speak about. And also tomorrow in my university I will go and I will tell a story about what I do in my life, and also about how I type on my keyboard, and also about the texts and competences and communicative competences of students, and how to improve them, and also informational processing, and some of the processing of the text, and yes, we will talk about it, and informational processing, I think so, of the text as a means of forming communicative competences of students. Yes, it will be about different types of brief short stories and writing, and also about how to determine them. It will be my presentation with different slides, slide number 1, slide number 2, slide number 3, slide number 4, and for each will be determined my slides, what will be on them, and it will be for the different variables like var, val, and also var x, var y, and var z will be too, and some features, and they will be written, and it will be kind of good. And look at this, it is photons that we have on the ground, some particles that are flying, Coulomb we have also, and we have joule, and different kappas and kappa, and different constants we have, like, and metrics, metric space, vector space we have, and Riemannian space, and also manifolds. And Riemannian space, need to check it on internet, what is it actually. And also have geometry of Riemann, and also have geometry of Lobachevsky, and Euclidean geometry, and we have people, Euler constant, and P, and also we have tau, and we have the circumference and trapezoids we have in our life. They are around, we can look at them, and also look at this trapezoid actually here, yes, we can see, and different forms of it. And we have people, we have sound waves of sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, and also we have some of the second, cosecant, and we have adjacent and opposite sides of the triangle, and also we have dogs, they are walking, and we are walking too, and someone created a good building here, and they were creating some quads, 1 point, second, third, fourth, and they created this thing, and also then they created the walls, and they constructed it in a way of this feature, and it was really good and really nice. And also we have lines, we have the one line, second line, it is our streets, and we have the width of the street, narrow we have, or it will be broad, different variables that we can say about them. And also we have sitting people, and some of the places where they could sit, and also variables of them. and some of the integers and also float numbers and some complex numbers and other features we have, and different constants, and it is actually something good, and var and val and function, fun we can describe, and also some determiners too, and for the matrices, for the matrix with a determinant A, and that A, det A, and also discriminant for the equations. We have also limits and logarithms, and also have power, exponential growth, and exponent, exp, yes, and also pow, it is for power, for exponential. And also have some sequences, subsequences, and subsets and sets, and mathematical manifolds, and also statistics and bias theorem, bias estimator, and Bayesian, and also Riemannian, and also have Euler and Fibonacci sequences, Mandelbrot set, and Julia set, and learning it is super amazing. I'm kind of refreshing it inside of my mind. And JavaScript, Java, we have programming languages right now, JavaScript and Java and C++, C#, PHP, R, SQL. Also we have for the some columns, and also queries. We have query and ports and different languages and structured queries. We have structured queried languages and queries, structured queries languages, and we have the guesses about languages and predictions about languages, and new formulas and cars are going around. It is amazing. And we are walking and people too, and we have different sequences and words and describing them, and keyboards. We have the keys that we press with our left hand and keys that we press by our right hand, and also we have different phones that we use in our life, and different software, also business intelligence, BI, and other features we have in our life, and we are using them, and Wikipedia pages we are using, and articles we are reading, and also we have some of the check boxes, tick boxes, and also have radio and toggle and widgets of this nature, and we are clicking. And in the Russian language we also have syntax and orthography and morphology, diffeomorphism, homeomorphism, heteromorphism, homeomorphism, homomorphism, and others. It is different types of morph of the it is a shape of the structure, shape of something that we have, and this morphs of something. Also we have cars, they are driving here, and we can describe them, and also light, RGB, RGBA, and also HSL and HCL schemas, and also channels, and different white color, red color, green, also black, and some of the yellow, white, and others we have, and it is so amazing. And also we have shadows and shaders, and also some of the geometry forms, polytopes, polynomials, and also we have some equations and linear equations and quadratic equations and cubic and Bezier curves, and different poly-Bezier, and some of the Bezier gones and hadrons, and we have them in our life. It is mathematical things, and also we have X, Y, Z, and different axes, and AXES and AXIS, and also input output. We have stdio and functions, fetch function we have in our languages, describe element, and also quad, and creating new forms, and also rectangles, rect, RECT, and others. And we are counting different words, and we have until, till, and also if statements, where statements, while statement, and different functions. Leaves also have, and plots, and also have scatter plot, and box and whiskers plot, and we have the stories and timelines and timestamps, and also have different dots and cross products and vector products, and also have the vectors and vector with coordinates of x and y, and all vector with coordinates of x, y, z, and also length of the vector, and length we have, and width and height and sides, and also have r number, it is radius and radiant, and also have 3 radiant for the radian, it is for the stereometry, and yes, it is radian, and also joule, and we have watt, and we have the ohm and ampere, and different features in our world, and attributes and arguments, and also counting these arguments, and also we have the GitHub, and versions of something, and containerization, and Pascal and Delphi we have, and also counting arrays, also and D arrays, NumPy, SciPy, scikit-learn, and also we can learn the model specific that we create, and we can work with them, and it will be amazing. And also we have new features in different programming languages, and they are updating, and new versions they are uploading, and also we have installation of the programming language, for example JavaScript or Kotlin or SwiftUI. We can update them, and also update to the new version, and also we can use our Sony camera, or maybe Nikon or Canon. We can use them, and it will be amazing, and it will be really nice, and it will be useful and official and good. And we have lenses, anamorphic lenses, morph, and different diffeomorphic, and also some of the new features we can upload. And also it was uploaded and also sent, requested. We have requests, we have clone, and also we can push and pull, push and pull, pull and pull and push, and push and pull, and pull and push, pull and push, push and pull features. And we have different types of clones, and also new variables and segment of the line, and also we have radians and radiuses, and languages, and French, Japanese, Indonesian, Russian, Ukrainian, Bulgarian, and also we have different countries like Bulgaria, and also China, and Kazakhstan, and also Uzbekistan, and others we have in our life. And also we have Algeria and Nigeria, and different African countries, and also some of the Asian countries, and European countries, and we have American and Latin America, and Mexico, and people from different countries, and servers we have, and also working with servers, and also ports, and TCP/IP, transmission control protocol, and IP, it is internet protocol, and we have them all, and it is amazing to work with them, and it is actually good. And we have light, and we could not have light, and it is like switcher, and we have switch, and also switch, case break, case 1, case 2, case 3, and etc. And 4 we have the starting point, end point, and also we have the steps of our for loop. And while this statement is true, then we do some actions, and then it is happening. And also we have end point, and we have end on our program, and also we have curly brackets that are closing, and triangular, and also title, and slash title, and triangle brackets. And also we have Angular GC, React, Meteor, Node.js, Vue.js, and others, also JSON notation we have and other features. And the dog is right now barking. That means that he is producing some sound waves by his larynx. Sorry. And I said sorry. It is our natural language processing. And also we have different people, and also we have the processing of the lecture that will be tomorrow, and also writing about it on a paper. We have handwriting, and also we have typing, and we have writing and different processes, and also we have blueprints, and we have different tentacles, and also we have Oracle and MariaDB, and also we have databases, and inside of these databases we have cells, and also we have some columns and rows, and row number 1, row number 2, row number 3, or row A, row B, row C, or maybe row A, row B, row C, and also column A, column B, column C, and others who have different structures, and cells who have different cells with different names and different operations we can do, and operating systems and operations we have on matrices, and electrons we have, and different alkene, alkane, or something like this. need to check this information for the correct one and how they are pronounced. We have electrical schemas, and also contours and voltages, and also keys we have, and switchers, and also batteries we have that are helping to us, and we have books and authors of the books, and we have the world, and also planet, and barbershops also we have if we will zoom in, and also we have some of the constructing building, and also we have do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si on our piano, or si, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. And also we have numbers in different languages: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, dan 10, Darība has Indonesia, then it is for Indonesian language, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is from Germany, or maybe it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It is from our idioma español, lenguaje español, habla español. And we can use these phrases, and we are speaking and learning new languages, and Japanese also we have, and Git language, and Java, JavaScript, Python libraries, also dlib, DLIB, and also we have LIBUV, libuf, and we have libraries, standard libraries from C++, headers, modules, module, and library, and header. We have handling, also we have handler we have, and different variables and connectors, concatenations we have with objects, and we connect some particles, and so also we have string variables, and we have the char character variables, and also we have integer and float number, and others, and real numbers, and they are super nice and good, and we are repeating them, and we are making ourselves better by learning them, and we can speak with you about these features, and also we can entertain ourselves by speaking about them. And we have different families, and also we have different classes, methods, and methodology for something, and how we use them, and pedagogy we have, and different sides of Britain we have, and also we have education in Britain, in the United Kingdom, and also in the United States we have, and also we have different variables and values and keys, and also adjectives, nouns, pronouns, and verbs, and also verbal language, paraverbal, semi also it could be, and we have also non-verbal for the gestures, for our mimics, for it Yes, and we can describe them, and also we can speak with people with our natural languages, and we use our tongue and also neck and different joints, ligaments, and we have disjoint, joint something, or join to the server, and host something, host name, and also we have some namespace, white space, and tables, and also cars and machines and machine learning and artificial intelligence, machine learning. We have the set of artificial intelligence, subset of the machine learning, and inside of it we have subset of the neural networks, and also have subset of the one more field, and this is called deep learning. And also we have ML pack, Keras, Redis, and Rabbit MQ and Net framework we have, and also Hack we have, and different variables, and it is amazing, it is good, and we are here to learn new features, and cryptography too we are learning together with you, and also some mathematics behind it, and also typography and different serif, and we have different Schriftsteller and fonts and sizes, and also some of the rectangles, circles, and we have them as characters, and also we learn characters in our life, and different bits of information, bytes, and also some of the powers of 2 and powers of 5, and different features we learn, and they could distinct from something. It is distinct is a word that I learned, and we can distinct something. For example, we have the one object that we can distinct it. We have this object distincted, and it's amazing. It's good, and we are distincting something. It is extend, and also it extends, and extensions we have in our life too, and some expansions, and also exterior, interior, and ordinary, extraordinary, and also you deserve extraordinary life, guys. It's true, and it is valuable of the Boolean variable, and named by bool, and also have Gauss distribution, normal distribution, Gauss Laplace distribution, and also Poincaré we have, and Poisson, and integrations, integral of Riemann integral, and also integral, and we have trigonometry, and we have sides and unit circle, and we have them, and also radius that equals 1. It is unit circle, because unit circle called unit circle because it has the radius that equals to 1, and it is the meaning of this word. That's why it is named by it. And also we have different statements, expressions, EXPR, and also we have Windows XP and Windows 7, Windows 10, and different versions of Windows, and also we have assembly, and assembler language, and high load things, and high programming languages. I mean that high structured, and also paradigm we have of different languages, and we have structures and designs of operating systems and system design, and also we have games that we can create, and also we have GL, graphic libraries, OpenGL, WebGL we have, and we are creating them, and graphics too, and also determinant, and we have the features, and we have books, authors, pages, and we have covers, soft or hard cover of the book. We have them, and soft or hard cover of the book, and we have different swings and splines, and also slides and splices, and also we have skewness, curvature, and shear we have, and different features of the math we can use in our life, and we can angle something, and I mean that we can use angle, and we can use it. You can differently switch it, and you can differently place it, and we have theta, tau, and also have alpha, beta, gamma, and omicron, and epsilon, and also theta, and iota, and functions, func, and we have also echo, echo, and also epoch, and time, local time, and also hours, and days, months, milliseconds, and millis, and we have them milliseconds, and also we have the seconds, and we have hours, days, day, hour, millisecond, and second. Also have cosecond with A and T, and second actually it is with O and D. Different writing systems, latent scripts, pure script, TypeScript, JavaScript, we have them all, and we use them in our real life, and numbers we have, and sequences, and we are talking with you, and we are writing, we are using our keyboard, and piano, we have oboe, also oboe, and we have this oboe, and drums, oboe, and also drums and sequences, and also have drum rolls, drumsticks, and different snares, and hi-hats, open hi-hat or closed hi-hat, and also kick, drum kick, and bass, and also splash we have, and also ride, and we have them, and also some of the new features with yes, we have them, and one more we have write, and also have crash, and this one that important too, it is write, RIDE, and also CRUSH for the drums, and also piano we have, and guitar, and different names and different languages for them, and we have new languages, and dictionaries, and dict, and glossaries, and thesaurus, and variables, and matrices, and points, and new features, and void, public, private also have that are written, public, private, also return, we have also return on investment, ROI, and also we have ROMI, it is return on marketing investment, and we have the shares, and we have mathematics and numbers, quotient, we have also quotient, dividend, divisor, and we have the numbers and multiplication and lines and bar, and we have them, and also we have the different spotlights and lights, moonlight, and shaders and shadows, and light structure, and also geometry of the light, and machines, and cars, and devices, gadgets, and also we have Kubernetes, KUBERNETC, Kubernetes, I think so. It is maybe the correct one, need to check it. Kubernetes, maybe NETES, it is maybe the correct one will be. Okay, and also we have different Spring language, and Kotlin, also we have Kotlin, Coin, and also some libraries for these languages, and Swift, and for the Apple, for the Android who have the specific languages, and with different paradigm, declarative who have empirical, and that could be used, and also some of the descriptive features we have. And we have also quotient, floor, mean, max, and also the minimal, and also LS, it is the least squares, and to have them too, and some of the theorems and bias theorem and estimators and estimate, and also some of the approximation of everything, and we can approximate and learn, and also in German learn, and it is good. Thank you a lot for watching. Improve Style Daily. Go forward. Build your mall. Build your things around. Build your buildings, rooms, and also rectangles. It's so important. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.